Can we Rubik's this cube?
Let's flip in.
Welcome back to the Potty Mouth Show.
Today we're going to try to solve some Rubik's Cubes, and probably fail, in a segment we like to call
Head to Head. How this is going to work is Blake and I are going to each have a Rubik's Cube. Thank you very much. We have to try and solve as much of the Rubik's Cube as possible. Whoever has the most solved wins.
Sparkly.
Yes, one of them is generic, one of them is real. Okay. Blake, are you ready?
Define ready.
We are going to have 7 minutes to solve as much of this as we possibly can.
Okay.
Okay? Are you ready to do this?
Ready as I'm gonna be.
Alrighty. Give us a countdown and tell us when to start.
3, 2, 1.
What is this for? Oh, that makes sense.
So now that this is the goal that you're trying to reach is to get as many of the colors or shapes match the center on each side as you possibly can. So keep it aligned, that's okay. You can still get points.
I messed up my side. For real. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. Cause it's gonna be fun and I'm probably gonna die. Okay, what? You know what? I'm just gonna stick with red because.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, almost. You almost got a side.
Oh no, I lost all of my guys. No.
Okay, now how do I get this over here? Hang on. So red goes here, here. Oh, I got a side. Side completed.
For now.
Now I gotta try to figure out how to get the yellow over here without messing up this other side. Oh man, I have to read. Okay, so hold on. If I go here and there, that messes up one of my sides. So I can go. Do I have the cross? I don't even have the cross. Dang it. I almost have the cross though. Alright. Let me see yours.
Why?
Just to see if you're even close to where I'm at. Okay. Oh, how did I just do that? Oh! I did it on accident! There's gotta be one over here. There's not a yellow on that side, okay. So I have a blue line. This can go here. Oops. I just messed up my progress. Although I think I'm doing okay because I've got at least one side done. And Blake has none done. Okay. Ooh. Hang on a second. Actually, I have a row and almost a complete blue side done.
I don't understand this.
Is it a Rubik's Cube?
Nope.
Okay, get that on position. Alright, let's focus on as many rows as possible. So I'm gonna try to focus on real quick. Even though I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I need to cool. Nope. There we go. Alright. I actually think I'm doing very well. I'm just gonna stop here. Because I'm pretty sure I've got a row and a half of the blue side, a full side, a green side, and partial orange. So I'm gonna stop here. How much more time do I have?
40 seconds.
Oh, yeah, I'm done. I am not touching it. Do you have anything on your side?
No, I did.
Oh, wait, no, you got a line. You have a line here. On top.
No, I'm trying to. It's gonna make me want to try to do this.
To beat it?
Yes.
Wait. It's up here. Hang on. Look, I'll help you. So this. See that there? Push it over here like this. And down or
All
up.
right,
Hold on.
hands down.
But how she's doing it, she's counting by rows and how many are on each side of the actual correct. So like if it's a yellow side, it's, well, yours is kind of different though, isn't it?
Well, just going.
She's just going by side and how many are on each side, and she's giving you the appropriate points.
Yep.
All right. The scores have been tallied. Who won? No, who? Okay. What were the points? Start with the least to greatest.
Blake got 10 points.
Woo!
Yeah, Blake.
10 points. I
10
got
points.
double digits.
Boom, baby. And how many did I have?
26.
One by a hair. Plus a landslide.
All right, so Blake, you lose. What's the punishment? All right, and as a punishment, Blake will have to wear all 6 colors of the Potty Mouth shirt, which are available at pottymouthshow.com/shop, over on our podcast. So tune in Saturday to watch Blake wear 6 shirts on the podcast.
I'm gonna be sweating my butt off.
Thank you guys for liking and subscribing.
We'll see you guys next time on the Potty Mouth Show.